What if the constant struggle with decision-making wasn't about a lack of information, but a lack of clarity in your internal compass? Welcome to Mind Alchemy, where we challenge convention to transform your reality. Today, we're unveiling the Values Compass, a powerful framework to streamline your decision-making, reduce overwhelm, and ensure every choice aligns with your deepest purpose. Most professionals experience decision fatigue and chronic overwhelm. We juggle countless options, weigh endless pros and cons, and often end up making choices that, in retrospect, don't truly serve our well-being or long-term goals. This isn't just inefficient, it's mentally exhausting, leading to procrastination, regret, and a pervasive feeling of being pulled in too many directions, constantly seeking external validation rather than internal conviction. Here's what they never tell you about decision-making. The most powerful choices aren't always made consciously or even logically. Research in cognitive psychology and neuroscience indicates that a significant portion of our decisions are actually driven by our subconscious beliefs and deeply ingrained values, often below our immediate awareness. Trying to force a logical decision that conflicts with these unconscious drivers leads to internal resistance and dissatisfaction. A contrarian insight, understanding and consciously aligning with these subconscious values can accelerate decisions and significantly reduce the mental energy spent on choices, leading to an increase in intrinsic motivation by up to 40% in aligned tasks. To harness this power, we present the Values Compass framework, a three-step process for making effortlessly aligned decisions. First, uncover your foundational values. This goes beyond surface-level ideals. We're talking about the deep-seated principles that truly motivate you. Use a structured process to reflect on peak experiences and moments of frustration to identify what genuinely matters. This step involves guided exercises designed to excavate and articulate your true core values, not just what you think they should be. Second, prioritize and rank your core values. Not all values carry the same weight in every situation. Learn to distinguish your top 3 to 5 non-negotiable values that act as your primary decision filters. This creates a hierarchy, simplifying complex choices by giving you a clear leading principle. Third, implement the values alignment check before any significant decision. Pause and run it through your top values. Ask, does this choice honor my value of value 1? Is it congruent with value 2? This isn't about rigid adherence, but about using your values as a quick, intuitive filter that provides clarity and confidence, enabling you to choose from an unlimited potential of possibilities that are truly aligned with who you are. Let's put the Values Compass to work today. Step 1. Your Value Discovery Sprint. Set aside 20 minutes with a pen and paper. Think about situations where you felt immense joy, pride, or deep resentment. What values were present or absent in those moments? Circle the words that resonate most deeply. These are your candidates. Step 2. Rank your top 3. From your list, critically evaluate and rank your top 3 core values. This is your personal North Star. Write them down somewhere visible. Step 3. Decision filter practice. For your next 3 minor decisions, example, what to eat, what task to do next, how to respond to an email. Pause and ask, does this align with my top 3 values? You'll be amazed at how quickly this brings clarity and reduces internal conflict. Embracing the Values Compass isn't just about making better decisions. It's about leading a life rooted in authenticity and purpose. By aligning your choices with your foundational values, you transform overwhelm into clarity and doubt into unwavering confidence. Subscribe for more insights into transforming your reality and listen to this week's podcast, How to Use Your Values as a Compass for Decision-Making. Visit mindalchemyhub.com for free resources. This is Mind Alchemy, where we challenge convention to transform your reality. See you in the next video.